From sewers to streams to everything in between, our crews are at work in communities like yours inspecting critical points to be sure things are flowing properly. Ebony Hood recently took a field trip with Christina and Nicole from our Stormwater Inspection and Maintenance team to find out exactly what happens during our most common stream inspections.
We're here at Olmsted Falls. We came here as part of our urgent storm response for the rain last week. There were some reports of flooding on this street, so we took a look at our crossing and take a look upstream, see what we see. Into the streams. This one's not, so these pipes definitely act as a constriction to our system. You can see.
So what percentage blockage you would say this is?
This side is about 60%. You know, it's a little bit more than half. You can see definitely all the trash that's in here. You know, leaves that were possibly piled in people's yards. Whatever. You know, this suds. Yeah. So the debris line also gives us an indication of how high the water probably got when it was raining. It definitely got at least to that pathway level. In order to make all this travel, the water had to be at least about this high. So in order to provide an estimate for our maintenance coordinator and our contractors, we have to have a volume of debris that they're going to remove. We tried to visualize the debris as a cube almost. So we'll measure the length.
I've got 9 feet.
9 feet long, 9 feet wide. We've got 9 times 9 times 4. I can't do quick math, but let's see.
I was going to say, you got to give us a
about
second.
320 cubic feet. We can schedule for this stuff to be removed. So we take a lot of pictures. We've got our iPad here. We provide photos of the actual debris and then also the access points for our contractors to come in. So we're just, you know, getting our eyes out there for the first time in a lot of cases. Our priority was to look at roadway crossings. So we are getting to all the crossings in the service area where the hole's there.
Within the week, debris removal at this Olmsted Falls location was complete as 12 cubic yards of woody debris were safely cleared from the site. The cleanup also included the removal of several dead trees that otherwise would have fallen and contributed to future blockages.